Please state your name.
I, Lona Bonayan Tagliano,
Of
Silangan, Zamboanga del Norte,
having been elected to the position of
having been elected to the position of municipal mayor,
hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge
that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all others that I may hereafter hold
that I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will bear
Kari na
true
po ng
faith
video labo.
that I will bear true
Kaklaro
and
pa.
allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines,
and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new mayor of the municipality of Sindaran, Mayor Golona